This fitting guide is for the ISU1880 and ISU1888. First, pick up the base cover. The base cover is identifiable from this push-through tab at the back and these two tabs of hook and loop. Loop the cover onto the base of the seat, making sure to pull the cover around both of the front two corners. At the front of the seat, there is a small elasticated tab. Pull this over the plastic where you adjust the seat. There is a similar tab on the side of the cover which goes over the seatbelt. On the other side of the seat, tuck the cover into the plastic housing around the side. Next, take this tab and push it through to the back of the seat. You will need to push through the two tabs of hook and loop through to the back as well. Make sure it's all pushed through tight. Next, locate this tab on the side of the cover and push it through behind the plastic housing so you can pull it out at the back of the seat. In some models this may be difficult, so you can pull the tab around the front of the plastic housing and connect it at the back using the hook and loop. The final way to do this is to tuck it behind the plastic housing like so. This is again secured using the hook and loop. The hook and loop on the other side of the seat is secured in the same way. Next, take the backrest cover and make sure to undo all of the hook and loop fastenings. Then simply throw the cover over the top of the seat. For this part of the installation, you need to lift the cover up and locate this elasticated tab. This then tucks behind the movable part of the seat to keep the cover in place. Here you can see it from another angle so you know exactly how it is fitted. With the cover held in place, fasten the hook and loop at the back from top to bottom. You should now be left with some excess material at the front which you need to get tucked in. Grab the central panel of the excess material and begin to tuck it into the movable part of the seat. You need to make sure that you tuck it all the way in around all of the edges and make sure the corners are in nice and tight. Next, locate this small opening at the bottom of the backrest, so you can tuck this tab of hook and loop through to the back. Once you pull it through at the back, it simply fastens to the back of the cover. This process is exactly the same for the other side of the cover. Lastly, you need to push the last piece of fabric through to the back of the seat, taking care to make sure that the fabric is tucked in around the corners. When you pull this out at the back of the seat, it is secured using the hook and loop fastenings. Now that the cover is fully installed, you can go around and make sure that any bits of excess material are tucked in around the edges. Your seat is now fully protected.